Good afternoon everyone. Today we have AOVO Pro M365 electrical scooter that has been sent to me by AOVO company. Thank you AOVO for sponsoring our channel and for sending the scooter for a review. Now in today's video I will not be riding the scooter, I will only take it out of the box, take a look at the key features and let you know what my first impressions are. Without any further ado, let's take a look what's inside this box. And as you can see inside the box we have a charger which is 10S or 36 volt charger which is 2 amps. We have a user manual and we have the screws to put the handlebar in place. That's it. Very basic, very simple. As you can see, it's basically an M365 or M365 Pro. The scooter looks rather similar. The changes which I see from older M365 Classic is that the brake handle is on the left side, which at least I'm not used to. Holding mechanism, you can probably already see that it's different. At least with the new scooter, it's really stiff and stable, and looking at the construction, it might work just well. There is a security mechanism, so you have to lift up a little handle to open it, and it's really easy and straightforward to operate. I believe this will be one of the sturdier folding mechanisms. We'll give it a good try when we go out riding. The other feature that is already different from M365 Classic are the honeycomb tires. So these are 8.5-inch tires that are non-inflatable. I haven't had a chance to ride the honeycomb tires, so it will be fun to try and see how they grip and how do they perform on dry and wet surface, but for sure you won't get any punctures with them. The battery compartment looks exactly the same as Xiaomi M365 with exactly the same drawbacks, so the little screws sticking out. These ones you will most probably damage as the time goes and as you are hitting little curbs. The brake caliper looks a little bit different, but I'm sure that any aftermarket brakes from M365 fit here. And I can tell you that the rear light cable is already covered better than on a standard M365, so you shouldn't have problems with that. Other than that, this looks like Xiaomi M365 or M365 Pro. The motor is mounted in the front, it's 350 watt. We will test and see how it goes uphill. The scooter, like Xiaomi M365, has a Bluetooth connection, meaning you can connect to the scooter via app. I tried the AOVO Pro app and I couldn't connect to the scooter, but there is also AOVO Scooter app. In the app you can set miles per hour or kilometers per hour. You can set the zero start mode on. You can set the cruise control on or off. By the way, you can also lock your scooter so someone cannot just take it and ride away with the password. So more or less this is an M365 with honeycomb tires with improved folding mechanism and a little bit bigger battery than at least on the older versions of Xiaomi M365. Thank you AOVO for sending me this scooter for a review. If you want to see me riding, testing the scooter, jumping it down the curbs, seeing how it performs on the street, and maybe comparing it with other city scooters, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload this video. Thank you all for watching the video, have a nice Easter, and see you in a couple of weeks. Bye!